Hey guys, I got another new product that I'm really excited about. This one is from American Modified. It is a set of taillights that are going to change my JK taillights to JL taillights. We're going to do a little quick unboxing. We're also going to do a little install. I'll show you guys some before and after, but I'm very excited about this product. I want to say thank you to American Modified for getting this out to me. And we're going to go from there. Hey guys, as you can see, I had to unbox this thing already. I was so excited to get it. You can see it's packed really well. These things are individually packed, individually bagged. Came to me perfectly. Got a little pack of hardware. Well, there's the old JK tail light, and then there's a new one. How about we go ahead and do an install on these things? All right guys, as you can see, there's the old JK tail lights. Got the new ones over here. Go back. What a big difference that makes. What a big difference. All right, this is a dealer's choice kind of situation. When it's plastic parts, I like to just use a screwdriver. Quick, simple, easy. You're not gonna break anything this way. You can feel the tension. My lights are missing a few screws. So that one screw that I had on this side, pop it out. You see the connector for the tail lights in there, literally. That one's gone. So on this, I'm just gonna clean up around it because diamond is a little dirty. She can definitely be a little on the dirty side. Once again, this thing's packed really well. So this one even has an outside plastic on it. So we've got some double-faced tape here. That's the reason I went ahead and cleaned that, make it easier and actually adhere better. Forgot my knife. So I just use my knife, peel back this tape. Peel the tape. Fit them in there just like that. That's that extra frame. Get in here and put some screws in. One screw wouldn't hold it, two wouldn't anyway. One thing I did do was, so that these things aren't rattling around back here, I went ahead and secured this capacitor or this resistor to the back of the light with a little double-sided tape. I just like that it's going to be out of the way and not rattling around back there. And that's how it should have fit. All right, 2 set screws in the back. And there she is, guys. All in all, this is a very easy install, plug and play. It was just my error doing what I needed to do on my end, but I'm very pleased with these guys. Once again, guys, this is the JK taillight to JL taillight conversion from American Modified. These things look great. I'm excited to have them, excited to have American Modified on board on the channel. If you guys, I'll leave the link in the description. Please go check them out.